This bewinged monster is a current Fiesta WRC car built by the legendary M Sport rally team in Cumbria. What lies ahead of it today is a wet, slippery, rough and in places extremely fast test stage through a forest. Things to look out for and avoid include ditches, banks, big log piles and of course lots of trees. In the driver's seat is Gus Greensmith and buckled up next to him is yours truly. Deep breath now.
So as you've just seen, I've just had my first ride in a 2017 spec WRC car. They're called 2017 spec, I know it's 2019 now, but that's the sort of set of regulations that these new cars are conforming to. And I've been lucky enough to drive lots of previous WRC cars. I have been in a couple of 2017 cars before, but only on much slower stages or tarmac. This was the first go on a proper sort of bit of stage like this. First off, Gus Greensmith, hugely talented. He's been in the car a few times this year for M Sport, and yeah, he absolutely knows what he's doing. He might be very young indeed. I think he's only 22. The car though, so I wasn't sure if you'd really noticed what a big step on it is. It's got more power than before. That you don't really notice, but it's the high speed stuff. My word, through the high speed corners up there, it is unbelievable the speed you can carry. You're saying how smooth. You can just make one clean movement, then the aero and the diff will work much better. There's always that moment where you're coming up to a corner and you're just thinking, he hasn't braked. Oh my word, he really hasn't braked. And yeah, you get that in spades with this car. It's extraordinary. The slower speed stuff, yeah, it changes direction. You feel it's probably even more on the nose than before. But yeah, that high speed stuff, those cars they're a big leap on. Just gonna try and drive one now.